Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so importantly for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. If today the first time you are coming across us, or you are hearing our voice for the first time, we still remain your one and only, ever ready, bringing it to you as you all know. So, my wonderful family, without not wasting much of your time, today I just want us to do quick.
What that decision means is that my son can dress like this to school, and it will amount to discrimination. It will be discriminatory for them, for the teachers to stop my son or my daughter from dressing like this. It will amount to violation of their rights to freedom of religion. It will amount to discrimination by harassing them. It will amount to violation of their right to dignity of their person. So my children are free to dress like this to school.
Sir, is this how you will be coming to court henceforth?
Yes, this is how I'll be coming. By the Supreme Court judgment, I've been given license to dress in our religious attire because it will be an infringement or a violation, a flagrant violation of my fundamental rights to freedom of thought, conscience, and religion for anybody to stop you. So I went into the Supreme Court, and we've been given the license. Even my children will dress like this to the school, and I will encourage my fellow traditionalists, those who are serving Olokun and Shango and Shokpono, God of thunder, God of iron. I will encourage them to dress like this because it's always good to be religious. We need to be close to the spirits. You can see I'm not wearing any shoe. In fact, if I has told me that if I wear shoes, I'll be dead. So what will I do? I have to obey the spirits. You see this eye? If without it, I can't see the evil spirits coming to attack me. So with this, I can see them. So you see, we've been given license to, by the Supreme Court judgment of Friday, we've been given the license to dress in our religious outfit because it's the mood of our worship.
But then, is a situation that the security agent challenge you and they order
Nobody,
for your arrest?
nobody can do it. Nobody. Even the president can. Buhari can't arrest me. In my own fundamental rights, nobody can. It's my fundamental rights.
Sir, but since this one is alien to law profession, are you saying that you can stand before judge
I
to
will.
argue a matter?
Sure, this is my outfit. Sure, this is my outfit. I can stand anywhere. This is my outfit. What is alien? there's no law, Section 45 of the Constitution that derogates the right to freedom of, the rights in Chapter 4 generally, which includes the right to freedom of religion. It's not clear on, he said there should be a law that can derogate this my right. And there's no law in Nigeria. There's no even law in the Legal Practitioner Act that derogates or tells me how I'm going to dress, whether it's in black or white. There's no law that is stopping me. And once there's no law that is stopping me, by virtue of Section 45, which says if there's a law that the law can override my fundamental rights, if that law is reasonably justifiable in a democratic society. But anyway, there's even no law in the first place. So there's nothing stopping me.
What if the Supreme Court reverses itself?
I don't know about that. I'm happy with the situation, no. They should not reverse themselves, please.
This attire now, is it Shongo or Okija Shirai?
This is for Olokun, the god of rivers, the god of water. You know, I'm from Delta State. I'm a chief.
That is.
Thank you very much.
People, for some of una where they fight people where they talk about P2B and Nigeria and PVC, make una remember say 2020 when Nigerian youth they do NSAS protests, our prophet will be Nnamdi Kanu no condemn that NSAS protest. Our prophet will be Nnamdi Kanu no advise any Igbo person to not participate for that NSAS protest, because na Nigeria they do NSAS protest. Because wetin Nnamdi Kanu they fight for now for the betterment of Africa, not only for Biafran people. Africa to be great. Because the condition of Africa, no reasonable human being go dey happy for the condition of Africa. A prophet wey be Nnamdi Kanu said, when Nigeria go do revolution, make everybody forget about tribe. Make everybody forget about sentiment. Support the revolution. Fight for the revolution. Because they fight for everybody. If you get eye, if you get spiritual eye, if you get eye, and see the way Nigerian youth they fight for P2B. If key are not taken, 2023, if Nigerian government mistakenly do any woo for that 2023, don't be surprised. Say Nigerian youth, they go rise up against Nigerian government. Because sometimes prophets, their message they come through parable. Their message they come through parable. That is why I say make our people, make we no fold hand, and people will value cow more than human being enter that place. Because na me and you go suffer. The one way they don't kill, it don't do for them. If those people where they parade their self enter power, wetin me and you go see for that country, mouth no go fit talk am. And remember say, na person wey die alive, they fight for better life. And na person wey sit down, they relax. Person where they run, no they relax. We dey on the run. It's better make we try our best and leave the rest to God. Because if these people eventually enter there, where we fold our hands, say we know anything, consign us, consign us. But if they consign us, because we still dey inside that country. As far as that country never divide, as far as that country still there, as far as say we still dey inside that country, my people, make we no fold our hands, because if these people enter there, make una remember say now we be their target. No be we they go frustrate. Now their self they go frustrate. Now their target. So if these people later enter there, I don't know how me and you go take survive. That is why we no need to fold our hands. We no need to sit down, say what they do. You know, consign us, because it consign me and you in any way. It consign us, because we never get our own freedom, because we never get our own country. Now them still they rule. So if their plan work, I don't know how we go take do am. And the make una remember say that prophet where they prophesied, well, that man where they speak for us, that man must speak. That man where sacrifice himself, they somewhere they suffer. Make we not forget that man, because that man no they fight for only one tribe. That is why when Fulani S-men enter Yoruba forest, that man no close mouth. He they called Yoruba people. So if that man now only one tribe they fight for, when he see that thing they come for other people, he for close mouth, because he no consign them. But if they talk, they fight for them. Say may they come out, may they do the necessary thing to protect their people, to protect their citizens. So now to tell you, say that man, no, they fight for only one tribe. So no matter the tribe where you be, that man where they fight for you, fight for him. This time where you feel fight for him. Fight for his release. Now where he can be released. Pray for him. Give him support. Because that man, we no need to lose that man, and we will never lose him. That man no they fight for only one people. He they fight for everybody. That is why all of us, we need to join hand and make sure say that man get his freedom and his life. So my people, make we no fold hand and sit down. Make we no dey inside water, soap go enter our eye. Make we try our best and leave the rest to God. Now so it be o.
That brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you very much for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. Share the video and tell your friends about this platform, because the best thing or the best place for you to be is here. Turn on the bell icon so that whenever I drop a new buzz boost like this, you'll be the first to notify. Thank you once again and remain blessed.